Hey, what's up guys, Will here for GSM Arena. This is the Poco M4 Pro, and it's a very different device from both last year's model and this year's 5G version. Let's go over its key features and see what makes it special. Rather than bringing flagship-killing features, the Poco M series has so far been about value-based mid-rangers. But with the M4 Pro, they've changed up the formula a bit. The phone is still made of plastic, but this generation brings IP53 dust and splash protection. Plus, the M4 Pro is pretty light in the hand at 179 grams, despite having a large 5000 mAh battery. The M4 Pro models also bring both stereo speakers instead of a single speaker and faster 33-watt charging. But arguably the biggest upgrade the M4 Pro brings over previous generations is on the front. It features a 6.43-inch AMOLED display with a 1080p resolution, a fast 90Hz refresh rate, and Gorilla Glass 3 protection. This is the first of the M series to feature an AMOLED, even the 5G version is left with an LCD. The Poco M4 Pro also debuts a 64-megapixel main camera on the back. This is paired with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, a 2-megapixel macro cam, and a depth sensor. In contrast, the 5G model has a dual camera setup with a 50-megapixel main cam and 8-megapixel ultra-wide. The main difference between the Poco M4 Pro and the Poco M4 Pro 5G is the chipset. Here you get a Mediatek Helio G96, which should offer decent performance, but it's not exactly built for gaming. The other model has a Mediatek Dimensity 810, which is no showstopper either, but is higher tier and provides 5G connectivity. The other features of the Poco M4 Pro are pretty standard for these sorts of phones. You get the new MIUI 13 interface out of the box, and there's also expandable storage, a headphone jack, and a side-mounted fingerprint reader. So there you have it guys, the Poco M4 Pro brings quite a lot to the table that you might not expect from Poco's M series, and if you're not a heavy gamer, it could be worth looking into. Word on the street is that early birds can find it for sale for as low as €200. Let us know what you guys think, and I'll see you soon with our full review.